वेलकम। हेलो, हाय, आदाब और सत श्री अकाल। और एक बार फिर से आ गया हूं मैं आप लोगों के बीच, आपके पास फेस इन द क्राउड लेकर, जो कि आपका फेवरेट शो। इस पॉडकास्ट में जैसा कि आपको पता है, हम सोसाइटी से एक शख्स को, एक शख्सियत को, एक पर्सनैलिटी को चुनकर आपके पास लाते हैं, जो स्पेशली सोसाइटी में कुछ चेंजेस ला रहे हैं। अपनी लाइफ में तो चेंजेस ला ही रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको अवेक, अवेयर, अराइज कर रहे हैं। और स्पेशली अपना एक नाम बनाने के साथ साथ, मुकाम बनाने के साथ साथ, आपकी लाइफ में भी थोड़े बहुत परिवर्तन लाने के, चेंजेस लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और आपको इंस्पायर करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं और इंस्पायर कर भी रहे हैं। तो स्पेशली आज एक मेरे साथ ऐसे ही गेस्ट हैं जिनके बारे में मैं कुछ बातें आपको बताऊंगा, उनसे आपका तारुफ कराऊंगा, इंट्रोडक्शन कराऊंगा। वेलकम इन द फेस ऑफ द क्राउड। अब मैं उनके बारे में आपको कुछ बातें बताता हूँ। वेल, टुडे ऑन द शो वी आर जॉइंड बाय मिस नेहा खटाल। Very warm welcome here.
Thank you for having me here. It's a great pleasure to be here.
Also our pleasure, ma'am. Okay, an MBA in marketing and finance and the visionary founder of Viva, the plus size store. Neha is on a mission to celebrate body positivity and redefine beauty standards through her brand, which offers luxurious and stylish fashion exclusively for plus size women. With a strong passion for empowering women, she has successfully transitioned Viva from a traditional offline store to a thriving online community that uplifts and inspires. Let's welcome the changemaker who's making fashion more inclusive and fabulous, Miss Neha Khattar.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, how are you? Very well.
Oh, very well, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, first thing first, सबसे पहले वैसे नेहा जी ने मुझसे कहा था कि स्पेशली ठीक ठाक सरल से क्वेश्चंस रखना, लेकिन मैंने सरल ही क्वेश्चन रखे हैं। कुछ एक आध, जैसे कि आप मुझे जानते हैं कि मैं कुछ और सवाल भी बीच में उधर पूछता हूँ। बट फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, ओके, टेल अस अबाउट योर जर्नी विद वीवा हेयर। मतलब ये कंसेप्ट कैसे दिमाग में आया और आप
Firstly, I would like to thank Abhinav ji for giving Viva and me this opportunity to keep our story in front of all you fabulous people. So thank you a lot for the opportunity. I would like her to answer this question by saying firstly that Viva is not just a brand. It is it believes in inclusivity, confidence and self-love towards women. The one thing Viva has greatly taught me is that clothes is such a powerful tool to get a change in society. 12 years back my journey started. My son Vedant was born and it was a very joyous phase of my life. So everything was going well. I had put on a couple of kgs जैसे usually होता है pregnancy में.
Yes.
And I had a tough time getting clothes my size. So every shopping journey used to be a disaster. And slowly and steadily I realized that this was not only my story, this was the story of countless more women.
Definitely.
And that is the reason I thought ki, you know, there needs to be some change in this and we need to do something for our category of people, you know, something
Sure.
for people like me. We need, you know, I need to do something. That's when I started my journey towards plus size clothing. And it was not a very easy journey. It was full of you know, small challenges. The first challenge was I approached around 50 to 100 manufacturers and I told them that I want to make plus size clothing, and to my shock they just refused to make plus size clothing.
Oh.
They said we don't
Really?
make these ugly clothes we don't make. That is what they told us.
So 10 years, you know, ago,
12 years
there
back.
was, 12 years back actually,
So,
it was the mindset.
so the mindset was so bad towards plus size clothing, and that is the day I decided, okay, I'm starting a label. I'm going to design, manufacture and retail plus size clothing. That is the day Viva was born. Viva was born out of a deep personal purpose and passion to get the plus size women beautiful clothing, to make them feel wanted, to get them to mainstream fashion conversations.
Oh, wonderful. Very nice idea, especially, and beautifully explained. Okay. When did you start working and how have you evolved as a business woman and a human being? You
I
actually told me
started
that earlier story, but after
Yes,
that, what changed?
after that. So 12 years back, I started working with a deep purpose of getting plus size women to the forefront. As a businesswoman, how have I evolved? As a businesswoman, I have started trusting my instincts, and I have started taking bold decisions which are required to be taken. And as a human being, when I'm dealing with so many women who are continuously struggling with their personality, with their identity, with clothing, with the fashion sense, it has made me very empathetic, a good listener, and I think over a period of time, I have become a voice of body positivity.
Oh, okay, wow, nice. Okay, what is the greatest lesson you got from your customers?
The greatest lesson that I have got from my customer is confidence is the true style, confidence is the true fashion, and whatever we do for plus size people, ultimately they have to feel beautiful, they have to feel confident and respected in their own style, in their own skin. So
They
that is
also want to be actually loved,
yes,
recognized.
it loved, recognized. And I think the first love that you always want is self love. So that is the thing that we really learned, that when a customer feels self loved because of something that we created, I think that is the biggest feedback, that is the biggest lesson we learn from any customer.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, anything happened like that जो out of the box of question है?
Yes,
कैसा
sure.
कि आपको एक आया कस्टमर उसमें
Yes
especially
sir,
उसको
हाँ
कुछ
जी,
एक अच्छा
बहुत स्टोरीज है ऐसे.
costumes मिला और अच्छे clothes मिले, then actually she tried or wept or actually shared her
Yes.
story with you.
Yes.
If you want to say
Yes,
something
sir,
or
I will
anecdote, if you can share.
Yes, there is this story. I started Viva in the year 2012, and in the year 2012, I held my first exhibition in April 2012. At the end of the day, we printed pamphlets, to advertise about our exhibition.
Okay,
So
yes.
at the end of the day, at about 9:30 at night, one lady came with the pamphlet that this is the pamphlet I got, and this says that you get clothing for plus size. And by 9:30 we had already started packing. And she and the moment I told her that ma'am, we've started packing, she was almost, I could see her eyes wet. And I asked her, what happened, ma'am? She's like, no, my shopping experience has always been a disaster. And I came here searching clothes for my size. And I don't know if you'll have clothes in my size or no. But today again, I'm just going disappointed. And this shopping experience has also been a disaster. So I told her, no, ma'am, this experience is not going to be a disaster. Just give me 5 minutes. I opened up the bags. I took her measurements. I got to know what her size was, and then I took out clothes her size. I told her, ma'am, please try these clothes. I am more than confident that they're going to fit you, and more than only fit you, they're going to fit you well.
Okay, but that's not actually you were going to your home, and at that time you were
Yes, I was packing.
You reopened it.
I reopened all the bags in which her size was available. I warmly welcomed her to try the clothes, and she tried the first dress.
Yes.
And she was almost in tears. And she told me, Neha, you don't know what a challenge it is to get clothes my size, and I am feeling so happy that something has fit me. And not only was she happy with the fitting, she was very happy with the design, she was very happy that she looked beautiful in those clothes, and she was literally in tears. So I consoled her, I made her try the other outfits, and she made a purchase of approximately 10,000 that day. But more than the amount, what mattered to me was that I could console a lady who was almost my size, and she was crying, and I could just comfort her, and when she looked beautiful, it just gave me that satisfaction. And that was the day I decided that this is not something that I'm going to do for a year or two. This is something that I'm going to be doing for a lifetime.
For a lifetime and forever.
Yes.
Okay. What made you choose the field of fashion and business as your life path? As you told me
Fashion,
कि ऐसा नहीं था, शुरू में डिसाइड तो नहीं था,
yes,
but because of you and from your
Yes,
inner
sir.
experience actually.
yes, it's very true. I had never decided to take fashion as my life path, but I truly wanted to do something for the plus size section. I wanted to give good quality, stylish, reasonable, good fitting clothes to the plus size sector, and that is what got me into fashion. And I embraced that very nicely, because it was giving me a lot of pleasure to see women happy, women liking our products. So but I
Especially in
would say
different patterns, different style, different
Yes,
zone, different
exactly.
colors.
Exactly.
What actually they were not used to get earlier.
Yes, so I embraced fashion after I started the plus size
You
thing.
started there. Okay. If you had not been working, what would you be doing?
I think it's a very difficult, this is the most difficult of the lot,
Oh,
because I don't see
a lot of
myself.
actually are coming.
Okay. Thanks for the comfort. Sorry. Okay, so back to the question.
Oh yeah, the question is, if you had not been working, what would you be doing?
I don't see myself doing anything else other than Viva.
Oh.
Seriously, because this is my life purpose. I have given my life to it, and the Viva has also given me a life.
So tell me only one thing. I want to interrupt you. How you came with the name Viva? So Viva actually मुझे गर्ल्स बैंड पता था जो पहले आया था,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
जो
sir.
सबसे पहले इंडिया में पूरा एक उन्होंने रियलिटी शो टाइप किया था जिसमें उन्होंने सबके ऑडिशंस लिए थे.
हाँ जी.
Then I came to know कि मेरी एक आदत थी, जो नया शब्द आता था मैं उसे पढ़ता था, डिक्शनरी में
हाँ
चेक
जी,
करता
हाँ
था. तो वीवा का जो रियल स्पेलिंग है VIV है, वीवा,
हाँ जी,
जिसका
हाँ
मतलब होता है चिरंजीवी रहो,
जी. Yes.
लंबी एज तक रहो. So
Yes.
actually, how you came with the name, or actually you just searched it or what?
No, I did not search it at all. This whole journey started with the birth of my son Vedant.
Vedant.
So I wanted to dedicate my venture to my son. My son's name is Vedant, and that is how the venture's name is Viva.
Okay. जिनको नहीं पता उनके लिए भी ये है कि जो उपनिषद कहे जाते हैं, वेदों का अंत है वो वेदांत है, तो उपनिषद को वेदांत से जोड़ा जाता है इस बीच. That is the name, और फिर वेदांत से हमें मिला वीवा, चिरंजीवी रहो. Well, actually, definitely.
Thank
Viva
you
is
so
beautiful.
much.
Well, okay. So, what do you do in your free time? How do you juggle your hobbies with your career, or your hobby is your career now?
My hobby is my career now. That is the true thing. वैसे वीवा से ज़्यादा टाइम मिलता है नहीं, एंड जितना मिलता है उतना आई ट्रूली like to spend with my family, my friends, because I believe in a good work life balance. तो जो भी टाइम मिलता है I just try to spend it with my friends, family. We travel together, we go out for movies, entertainment. Yeah, so that is about it. For me, after my family comes first.
Wow.
So जो भी time
Definitely.
बचता है, it's all family.
Nice thing is that actually I think she just cancelled the movie show. हम लोगों ने भी उनको टाइम को मूवी कैंसिल करा के थोड़ा सा चुरा लिया, और फिर हम लोग इनको यहाँ पर लेकर आए. ये टाइम हमें थोड़ा दो, हम लोग भी कुछ करेंगे बातचीत. Okay, so our famous rapid fire round is here. I think you are ready for that.
Yes.
Okay. The best advice you got in your career?
The best advice I got in my career is stick to your values, not to your trends. So that keeps me grounded, and it keeps me authentic to my process, to my designs, to my work.
Okay. The happiest moment of your life?
When I held my son Vedant.
The saddest moment of your life?
I believe that मैंने सिर्फ happy moments remember करने चाहिए.
That's
तो
nice.
sad moment याद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे, and I wouldn't like to remember a sad moment at this time.
इन्होंने स्पेशली हॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस जो थी इंग्रिड बर्गमैन, उनकी एक बड़ी अच्छी बात कहती कि और वो बोलती थी कि अच्छी हेल्थ, अच्छे स्वास्थ्य और बुरी याददाश्त में ही खुशियां बसती हैं, क्योंकि बुरी याददाश्त आपको बेकार की चीजें भूलने में मदद करती है.
हाँ जी.
That's a nice thing. Okay. The challenging moment of your life?
The challenging moment of my life was during COVID, because primarily we were a offline store, and during COVID everything suddenly just turned overnight.
Closed. Yes.
मतलब पूरी हमारी जमीन पाँव के नीचे से निकल गई, and that happened not only for me, that happened for everybody around the world. So at that point the challenge was that we had to suddenly change our course of business and turn into an online store. That meant learning, adapting, knowing new technology. But today, with a lot of pride and with a lot of satisfaction, I say that we've taken the challenge very well. We've become a
Changed it and
online
you've
store.
transformed yourself.
We've
Yes.
transformed ourselves. We've set up a new online store, and I can proudly say today that Viva is a local brand with a global reach.
Oh wow, wonderful. Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Okay, your favorite actor?
Shah Rukh Khan.
तो पहले इसके बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया नेहा? Okay, that's nice man. Your favorite actress?
Kareena Kapoor.
Okay. Yeah, maybe she actually, saw a lot of movies. Like that.
इसीलिए फैशन में आ गई मैं.
तभी fashion में आ गई,
Yes.
definitely. Yes, that's great. Okay, your favorite book?
My favorite book is You Can Heal Your Life by Ma'am Louise Hay.
Your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Switzerland. I'm sorry, it's very cliche, but it is.
Yes, beautiful. Especially मुझे स्विट्जरलैंड का मुझे वैसे ज्यादा अंदाजा ज्यादातर जो आंसर्स आते हैं वो वाले आते हैं. Okay, that was a beautiful rapid fire round, and now some insights of your life. Okay, an idea that changed your life.
Viva.
As you told us.
Viva, all the way.
सबसे अच्छी बात है कि अब ये स्पेशली जहाँ कहीं जाती होंगी
Mm.
तो ये अब लोग अगर पैर छूते हैं या आशीर्वाद देते हैं तो वीवा 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 बोलती होंगी. ये स्पेशली जीते रहो वगैरह ने वीवा वीवा. तो ऐसा ही होता होगा आई थिंक.
मेरे मुंह से सिर्फ वीवा वीवा ही निकलता है. You got it right.
भगवान नहीं नाम जपते हैं वैसा भगवान का.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
What does success mean to you, or do you think actually you are that much successful?
I think success is a very, very ongoing process. तो सक्सेस मतलब जितना हो उतना कम है, जितना करो उतना कम है. तो इट इज एन एवर इवॉल्विंग प्रोसेस सक्सेस मेरे हिसाब से.
And you also think, I mean, that way because success, everyone has their opinion or POV about the success.
Of course, everyone has an opinion about success, but what I have always done for myself is, I want to be better than what I was yesterday. To me, that is success.
You're your own competition.
I am my own competition. And और एक बात मैं बोलनी चाहूँगी. To me, success means अगर हमने एक भी garment बनाया and a lady feels truly happy about what we have created,
Oh, wow.
truly feels
Yes.
good about it, I think that is success for me. So, when we get customer interaction that we are very happy about your clothes, that is the true meaning of success to me.
Oh, yes, nice. Okay. Now there's a tricky one. Best role of your life: mother, daughter, wife, or the businesswoman.
I think all of it, I would be incomplete without any one of it.
Okay, so you
So all of
best in all of it, or you trying to be best in all of it.
Like
Yes.
each and every process, इतना वो
It's ongoing.
ongoing process है. Ongoing best mother, ongoing best daughter, ongoing best teacher, ongoing best wife.
Okay. ये अच्छा है, ऐसा कई बार यहाँ आंसर्स मिले हैं क्योंकि अगर मर्दों से अक्सर जब मैं पॉडकास्ट करता हूँ और ये सवाल पूछता हूँ तो सारे जवाब मिल जाते हैं. फादर भी मिलता है, सब भी मिलता है.
हस्बैंड का मिलना
हस्बैंड
मुश्किल है.
मिलता ही नहीं है. और वो फिर मैं मान चुका हूँ कि वो एक मिथ है. मुश्किल से 100 में से एक बार वो मिला है कि मिथ है कि परफेक्ट हस्बैंड जैसी कोई चीज होती है. वो नहीं होती, वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है. ऐसा कुछ
नहीं,
है.
बट परफेक्ट वाइफ जैसी भी कोई चीज नहीं होती है सर.
Actually, so much true. Thank you so much. Actually, you said that. She is actually, being true and giving us new insights. Okay. Now this or that round, I'm giving you the choices and you have to choose one.
Sure.
Okay, you're ready for that. Veg or non-veg?
Veg.
Veg. Okay. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Okay. अगर आप चाहें तो कुछ और भी जोड़ सकती हैं. छाछ, लस्सी, दही, something like that. Okay.
Coffee is good.
Coffee. Same here. Okay. Gym or yoga?
Yoga.
You do that. Okay. Early rise or a night out?
Night out.
ठीक है. टाइम इसलिए इन्होंने बोल दिया. देखो अभी ना सुबह मत करना. हम लोग 2 बजे की बात करेंगे. जो भी है सुबह नहीं करने वाले.
Exactly. Yes, you got it. You got it.
Okay. Emotional or practical?
Both. A bit of both.
Actually, you felt it with your customers. You
Yes.
told me the story.
And it
You were
was
very emotional
my
at that
beginning of Viva was from a very heart and emotional kind, because I was out of job, तो पैसे नहीं थे, backing नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, and out of nowhere I said I want to do something for these women. So my family was like, have you gone mad? But I was like, no, जितना होगा, जितना जमेगा करूँ. मंथ में 10 गारमेंट्स तो 10 गारमेंट्स बेचूंगी, 100 तो 100, जितना होगा मुझसे उतना करूंगी, बट करूंगी डेफिनेटली।
तो भी जैसा फिर कभी ऐसा हुआ कि बहुत सारे मौके आए, लोग रुक जाते हैं, अगर कभी कहीं कोई रास्ता नहीं दिख रहा है या ऐसा कुछ, या टूटना हुआ, रोना हुआ, ऐसा कुछ डू यू क्राई समटाइम्स?
So, मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ आपको, whatever, मतलब for me Viva is like a prayer, so you know, and I'm crazy, madly and fully in love with Viva. तो what happens, no, इतने struggles आए हैं, but the reason we have overcome it and it has not been able to stop me is because I was madly in love with it. You know, so for an entrepreneur, I think it is very important that आप अपनी ड्रीम के साथ बस एक you know एक लव रिलेशन में
चलते जा रहे हो,
yes, तो चलते जा रहे, छूटता नहीं है, बुरे वक्त में भी साथ रहता है और अच्छे वक्त में भी साथ रहता है।
Okay, beautifully explained. Okay, books or Kindle?
Books.
The aroma of the pages.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mountains or beaches?
Beaches for sure.
Sure, but the beaches for sure. नहीं जाना ही नहीं।
Mountains अभी जाना ही नहीं है।
Okay, religious or spiritual?
Spiritual.
Okay. Do you read spiritual books or whom you follow?
Yes, the book that I mentioned, You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. It is kind of a spiritual book. It tells you that you have to be in love with yourself and everything around you just kind of works out. Oh, wow. So in that way, I am deeply spiritual. I believe in manifestation. I believe in self-love. I believe in forgiving, forgetting, and I believe in blessing each and every person with love जो मेरे ताल्लुक में आता है, you know, because the more you give love to the universe, the more universe is going to multiply and give it back to you. Wow. I'm sorry, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल होके बात कर रही हूँ।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है, बल्कि तो फिलोसॉफिकल है, मेरे फायदे के लिए भी ये अच्छा रहेगा कि अब क्योंकि वो सबको विशेष देती है, तो मुझे कुछ अच्छी विशेष
मैं आपको भी देके आई हूँ सर।
अच्छा है, ये बढ़िया है। Okay, so especially what in the current scenario, what do you think what is happening with the world, or in the next 10 years it's gonna change? So how it is gonna change? It is actually you are seeing a positivity or positively or negatively?
I think in the last 1 or 2 years, things have already become very positive. People are at least talking about body positivity, mind positivity, self-love, confidence, being happy in your own skin. So I think that has already started. And I think ये जो positivity चालू हुई है, ये continue होने वाली। This is what my feeling is.
Very well. और ये थी हम लोगों से नया कटल, but जाने से पहले मैं स्पेशली जैसे मैंने कहा था कुछ क्वेश्चन अब जरूर लाता हूँ कि कुछ अगर आप मैसेज देना चाहें सब लोगों को स्पेशली, और उनमें वो सारे लोग भी शामिल हैं जिनसे आप अगर कुछ कहना चाहते हैं और आपने कभी नहीं कहा डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली, सो यू कैन टेल दैम।
Firstly, whenever I get any such major opportunity, from the bottom of my heart, I always thank my friends, my family, my customers, my followers. I would like to say that because of all of you, I am where I am today. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and everyone who's been with us in this journey. And and yeah, that's it.
क्योंकि मुझे आप बोल चुके 2-3 बार, तो मैंने सोचा कि दोबारा तो नहीं बोलना।
Thank you is a word, जितना बोला जाए उतना कम ही है।
सही बात है, फॉर द यूनिवर्स, फॉर गॉड, फॉर एवरीवन, डेफिनेटली। ये थी हम लोगों के साथ मिस नेहा खट्टर, जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में हमें बहुत सी बातें बताई, चीज़ें बताई, इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज बताई, और ये भी बताया कि किस तरह से कई सारे कस्टमर्स उनके पास आए और उतने ज़्यादा इमोशनल भी हुए, रोए भी, कंसोल भी हुए, और उनको बहुत सारी दुआएं भी देके गए। वेल, फेस इन द क्राउड में अब आप लोग दोबारा हम लोगों से मिलेंगे कोई नई शख्सियत के साथ, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल मैं आप लोगों से कुछ भी और कहने के मूड में नहीं हूँ। मेरे पास सिर्फ एक शब्द है जो हम लोग आपसे मिलकर कहना चाहते हैं, और वो है वीवा।